Okay, right now in question 2, they say that if cos 25 degrees is equals to m, then without the use of a calculator, determine the values of the following in terms of n. Now, the first one, they want us to find sine 25 degrees. Now, first thing that I want you to get is that cos 25 degrees equals to m. Basically, if you were to write it down in terms of opposite over adjacent, now remember, cos 25 degrees is actually adjacent over hypotenuse, right? Remember, cos of theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse. Right now, if we were given that cos of 25 degrees is equals to m, basically this means that cos of 25 degrees it's actually equals to m over 1. So our adjacent side is going to be m, and then our hypotenuse is going to be 1. Now we're going to need to find the opposite side. Now to find the opposite side, we're going to use we're gonna have to use theorem of Pythagoras, because if I were to draw just a sketch for that, it basically, I'm gonna draw a right angle triangle, right? Then it will be 25 degrees there, then here it will be m, and then there it will be 1, and that will be an angle there. Now to find, remember, now to find that side over there, this side over there, I will have to use the theorem of Pythagoras. Now what I can do, let me just say, for now, let me just call that triangle ABC. So I'm gonna call that triangle ABC. Right now, to find angle side AB, I'm gonna have to use the theorem of Pythagoras, right? So I'm gonna say that AB squared equals to AC squared minus BC squared. Then I'm gonna say theorem of Pythagoras, right? Gonna say theorem of Pythagoras. Then I'm gonna say AB squared equals, now remember, AC squared is just gonna be 1 squared minus, and then that will be m squared. Now to find AB squared, I'm gonna square root that. I'm gonna just square root that, and I'm also gonna square that. So it will be 1 minus m squared, and then therefore AB is basically going to be square root of 1 minus m squared. All right. Now, therefore, to find sine of 25 degrees, now remember, sine theta, right, it's always going to be opposite over hypotenuse, right? Now the opposite side we have it as, square root 1 minus m squared, and remember the hypotenuse is basically just 1. So that means that sine of 25 degrees is just the square root of 1 minus m squared, right?